You are listening to Passport Talks, a podcast on how to become a true cosmopolitan, how to travel the world without visas, create a safe haven for your family, and access top-notch education and healthcare with a second passport or residency.
UAE Golden Visa benefits, reasons to choose this residence by investment program. The Golden Visa is a 10-year residence permit for foreign nationals, allowing them to live, work, or study in the UAE. The visa offers initial 6-month multi-entry access and doesn't require a local sponsor or residency to remain valid. Various individuals are eligible, including scientists, athletes, entrepreneurs, and those with exceptional crisis management skills. Key benefits include a decade-long validity, potential for renewal, and the ability to sponsor family members and domestic helpers. Golden Visa holders receive Esaad privilege cards providing discounts in the UAE and 92 other countries. For Abu Dhabi residents, benefits include property discounts, reduced mortgage rates, and lower health insurance premiums. Dubai residents can obtain a UAE driving license without additional lessons if they have a license from an approved country, and expatriate students are offered educational discounts. Benefits of UAE residency by investment. The UAE remains an attractive destination for skilled foreigners to work, study, and live despite the intense summer heat. The appeal stems from a variety of factors. For one, it serves as a contingency plan, allowing expats to live in one of the world's most prosperous and thriving countries, free to enter at any time, irrespective of border closures due to pandemics, political unrest, or economic crises. Safety is a significant draw, with the UAE placing second on the World Safety Index. Of the Emirates, Abu Dhabi ranked first, while Sharjah and Dubai took 4th and 8th places respectively. Educationally, the UAE's universities stand out globally. 11 UAE universities are featured in the QS World University Rankings 2023, with 3 making it to the top 500. Some of these institutions are affiliated with renowned universities from the US, UK, and Australia. The UAE's tax regime is another major advantage, often regarded as a tax haven due to exemptions on income, capital gains, and inheritance. While there was no corporate profit tax until 2022, a 9% tax is applicable from January 2023 onwards. However, investors can establish companies within the UAE to mitigate tax obligations, with the most advantageous conditions found in free zones. These zones, predominantly based in Dubai, offer exemptions from corporate taxes, VAT, and import and export taxes. Moreover, foreign investors can own a company entirely in these free zones. Lastly, the UAE boasts various shopping and entertainment options. Iconic tourist attractions such as the Burj Khalifa Sheikh Zayed Mosque and Louvre Abu Dhabi Museum cater to a broad range of interests for all ages. Benefits for real estate investors. Investing in property in the UAE can yield substantial returns. For example, in Q2 2022, UAE real estate prices witnessed a 4.4% increase. The country does not impose an income tax, so property owners are not taxed on rental income. Additionally, there are no levies on gifts and inheritance. During a property sale, the owner is liable for half of the transfer fee, for instance, 2% in Dubai. The UAE's real estate market is renowned for its stringent regulations. Property acquisition provides an avenue to obtain a 10-year Golden Visa. This visa type applies to various properties, including residential apartments, hotel rooms, villas, townhouses, and offices. Gaining long-term Golden Residency visas is feasible for those already owning property in the UAE. How to get a UAE Golden Visa. Acquiring a 10-year UAE Golden Visa involves purchasing real estate valued at AED 2 million, around 540,000 US dollars. Married couples can jointly own a property worth at least AED 1 million, which is 272,000 US dollars. Necessary documents include a passport, birth certificate, marriage certificate, certificate of non-marriage for children over 18, a no criminal record certificate from the home country, a UAE good conduct certificate for the Dubai Land Department, medical insurance, a medical fitness certificate, a recent photo, and the current UAE visa. spouses, children, and domestic helpers are eligible to apply for the UAE Golden Visa alongside investors, with the visa typically granted within 2 months. The process involves 6 steps. 1. Preliminary due diligence. An anti-money laundering officer conducts a confidential preliminary assessment to identify potential issues and enhance visa acquisition prospects. 2. Document preparation. The investor submits documents for translation, notarization, and consular legislation. 3. Applicants receive a 6-month visa for entering the UAE, choosing a property, completing a medical exam, and applying for the Golden Visa. 4. Property purchase. Immigrant Invest's real estate specialists offer various property options and assist in buying and registering ownership. 5. Applicants over 18 undertake a medical exam at a UAE clinic, including tests for infectious diseases and fluorography to secure a health certificate. 6. Golden Visa acquisition. Applicants and their families apply for the visa and provide biometrics to the UAE's General Directorate of Residency and Foreign Affairs. Usually, the process takes a week. Upon approval, the investor and their family members are granted Golden Visas. Can I get UAE citizenship through a Golden Visa? Obtaining UAE citizenship through the Golden Visa route takes much work. Although the visas can be renewed multiple times, it only sometimes leads to citizenship, typically requiring at least 30 years of residency with no guarantees of success. For those seeking a second passport, Immigrant Invest provides several European investment programs, all of which initially grant residency, followed by eligibility for citizenship in 5 to 7 years. Such programs operate in Cyprus, Portugal, and Greece. Residency in a European country allows free travel within the Schengen area and the possibility of eventually gaining EU citizenship. Another path is through Malta's naturalization for exceptional services by direct investment. With an investment starting from €690,000, investors can apply for Malta citizenship after 1 or 3 years. That's it for this episode about the benefits of the UAE Golden Visa. Visit immigrantinvest.com for detailed information about Emirati and other investment programs, or to book a meeting with Immigrant Invest lawyers who can help find answers to tricky questions. Take the next step towards your global opportunities and secure your future with Immigrant Invest. And see you in the next episodes of Passport Talks.
You are listening to Passport Talks, a podcast on how to become a true cosmopolitan, how to travel the world without visas, create a safe haven for your family, and access top-notch education and healthcare with a second passport or residency.